welcome back. Miss Garza said y'all like me, so today I'm going to do a lesson over prefixes and suffixes. So let's go over a few of those. A prefix is a word added to the beginning of a root word. A suffix is a word added to the end of a root word. Okay, let's go over a few prefixes. Re, the meaning of re is again. Pre is before. Miss is wrong. Un is not. Dis is not. Non is not. Let's go over some suffixes now. Remember, suffixes at the end of the root word. Full equals full of. Less equals without. ER equals more. EST equals most. LY means to do something. And ness equals been. So now I'm going to talk about the prefixes and suffixes and adding them to the root words. Remember, guys, the root word never changes at all. Think of a carrot. The carrot has a root and that root stays in the ground. The root word stays the same. So let's add some prefixes and suffixes to it and see the new meaning, because the meaning changes. It's not just heat anymore. If I add pre to the front of preheat, to the front of heat, the new word is preheat. So preheat means, let's look for the meaning pre. Pre equals before. So our new word is preheat, and it means to heat before. Heat before. See how we have a new meaning for the word? Okay, let's look at the word use. Let's look for a prefix or suffix that can go with use to change the meaning of the word. Okay, use. We can add less. So our new word is useless. What do we think useless means? Because remember, our whole meaning changes. Let's go look over here under our suffix, and less means without. So our new meaning of useless is without any use. Guys, remember that the meaning changes, and remember that prefix is before the word and suffix is at the end of the word. So right here, this is a prefix, and right here, this is a suffix. Now, let's look to see if we can add a prefix or suffix to approve, the word approve. Let's look. Oh, over here. Dis. That right there is a prefix because it's going at the front of the word, that root word. The new word is disapprove. Okay, our new word is disapprove. What do you think disapprove means? Okay, let's go find out what dis means. Dis equals not. So our new meaning of disapprove is to not approve. Comprende? Okay, our next word is beauty. Let's see if we can add a prefix or suffix to that word. Beauty, beauty. Oh, here's full. We can add a suffix to the end, and our new word is beautiful. Beautiful now means full of. Okay, big. Let's suffix. Whoopsie. ER. So our new word is bigger. Okay, ER means more. So it's not the biggest. It's bigger than big, but there's still one more. So let's talk about that. If we had this, when we change this suffix to word is biggest, right? So that means it's the biggest. It's the biggest it can be because biggest means most. So it's big, bigger, because that means more, and then biggest because that's most, right? So I'm going to put biggest over here because that's another new word. Okay, let's do small. What suffix or prefix can we add to that one? You're right. ER. Our new word is smaller. Right? So like I said a while ago, ER means more, but it can be even smaller. And that means I would exchange these two, and I would put EST, and the EST now makes it the smallest. So it would be small, smaller, and then smallest. Now bald. Which word or suffix can we add to bald? You're right. Ness. Baldness. That's our new word. Let's see what ness means so we see the new meaning of baldness. Being. Our new meaning of baldness would be the state of being bald. So I want y'all to look at how this base word never changes at all, but we can change the word and change the meaning by adding suffixes and prefixes. Remember, guys, prefix is a word added to the beginning of the word. So like these, pre and dis. Suffix is a word added to the end of the root word, like less, for, est, er, and ness. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you again next week. Good day.